Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. What does the perfect weekend getaway need? It needs a perfect weekend bag set like this one from ITIEZY. I really love all of the storage possibilities with all three of these pieces. The large duffel size bag has lots of space. It has lots of zipped areas so you can add in those last minute essentials and things that you need to keep handy really quickly when you're traveling. It also has a waterproof shoe compartment, which is such a great feature in case your shoes are dirty or get wet, then you can store them separately away from everything else. All of the straps on the bags are completely adjustable, and I really like the small toiletry bag, which allows you to use it also as a wrist bag. The crossbody bag has lots of storage as well, including zipped areas where you can store whatever you need. And overall, I love the quality of these pieces. The three pieces are made of a heavy-duty vinyl material fabric that has a linen look on the outside, as well as a faux leather detail at the bottom, but it's very well made, well constructed, and all of the zippers are really heavy-duty and great for functioning. All three of these bags are so well coordinated. I love how pretty that they all look, and they're made of nice durable materials. It's so awesome to be able to take everything that you need all in one trip, and it is going to be great for any weekend away that you're planning, and that's my point of view.